Okay, so if you choose the iHistory phone for your assignment, this is what you should include. The clock, right? The year the person was born, the year they died, and the year of one other significant event in their life. So the year that they accomplished something that led to them being who they are. Map, draw and color a map of the person's civilization, including all major geographic features. Notes, write 5 facts about the person using complete sentences. Contacts, list 2 other historical figures, places, or objects that would be linked to this person. Explain how they are connected. Calendar, write out 5 specific historical things the person would do in a typical day. And don't include things like eat food, sleep. So something that shows their personality and who they are. Photos, draw and color a picture of the person or a symbol that represents them. Pictures can be Google Images if you are doing this on the computer. Remember, you're doing this for all 5 of your chosen famous Greeks if you choose this option.